Today I'm going to show you how to change your BMW 5 Series. It's a 528i. I'm going to show you how to change your engine oil. Things you need to change your engine oil: you need a oil pan. You're going to need these to put at the back of the wheel. You need a jack, 17mm socket, your filter number is 10075. Also need a brake cleaner, drain plug. Your drain plug will be this 17. This seems like it's leaking. The washer is leaking, so we're gonna use a 17mm to pull that. So you have to have these filter wrench and find the one that fits it. Then you're going to use a extension and a ratchet to pull it. All right. going to show you how to reset the oil right now. All message has to be off the screen. Switch your ignition on position only. Then you're going to hold this for around 10 seconds. Yes, when you hold it for 10 seconds, you see engine oil reset possible. You hold it again, reset, you hold it again, reset is in process. Check the engine oil right level. You got to start the car. Start the car. Let me go back. You're going vehicle info, vehicle status, then you go measuring engine oil. You have to wait till the engine oil is at the right temperature for it to start measuring. In the meantime, we're going to get our oil change sticker. We're going to replace it with a new one. When the engine is on the right temperature, you can go ahead. This start measuring process, you can go ahead with it. You press OK, and it will be start measuring the engine oil. Okay, when the engine oil level is finished measuring, it should be like this. Engine oil level is okay, so you can just press back. That's it.